If you're thinking about studying marine biology and Florida isn't on your list, you're already making a mistake. Because here's the truth, you can read about oceans in a classroom anywhere. But if you want to actually work in the ocean, study coral reefs, dolphins, or climate change up close, Florida gives you something most states can't. Real water, real ecosystems, real experience. And I know what you're thinking. Which university is actually worth it? Which one is affordable? Where do I even have a chance of getting in? Don't worry, I've got you. By the end of this video, you'll know the 7 best marine biology universities in Florida, and which one could realistically get you admitted and funded. The context and credibility. Choosing a marine biology program isn't simple. It's not just about rankings. It's about location, research, access, lab facilities, internships, and cost. And most videos completely ignore that. Some schools look great on paper, but give you zero hands-on experience. Others, not as famous, but they'll literally put you on a research boat in your first year. This list is built using US News-style rankings, program strength, research output, and student outcomes, plus something most people miss, insider opportunities you can actually use to stand out. Let's get into it. Number 7, University of North Florida, Jacksonville, Florida. Let's start with a school most students overlook but probably shouldn't. The University of North Florida gives you something powerful, early exposure. While bigger universities make you wait until later years for real research, UNF pushes you into fieldwork much earlier. Why it stands out? Its coastal location near estuaries and salt marshes means you're actively observing ecosystems, not just learning theory stats. Budget-friendly tuition, and about a 70% acceptance rate. TheVibe.com, supportive and less competitive. Professors actually know your name. Deeper insight. If your grades aren't perfect, this is a smart entry point into marine biology without sacrificing opportunity. Insider hack. Because of smaller class sizes, professors are more likely to pull you into research early if you show initiative. Also, joining student environmental clubs here can quietly boost your profile for future internships and scholarships. Number 6, Florida Gulf Coast University, Fort Myers, Florida. If you don't want to sit in classrooms all day, pay attention. Florida Gulf Coast University is built around hands-on learning. Why it stands out? You're right next to the Gulf of Mexico, with access to mangroves, wetlands, and coastal ecosystems. Stats: affordable tuition and a 70 to 75% acceptance rate. The Vibe: outdoorsy and active. Expect field work, not just lectures. Deeper insight: this kind of field exposure early on can make your graduate school applications much stronger later. Insider hack: email professors early. You might join research projects before your first semester, which gives you a huge edge. Students who take initiative here often build stronger resumes than peers at more famous schools. Number 5, Florida Institute of Technology, Melbourne, Florida. This one is for students who like science plus technology. Florida Institute of Technology blends marine biology with innovation. Why it stands out? Strong focus on data, ocean tech, and lab-based research. Stats: higher tuition, but a decent acceptance rate, around 60 to 70%. The Vibe: focused and academic. Students here are serious about STEM. Deeper insight: marine biology is becoming more data-driven. FIT prepares you for that shift, especially if you're thinking long-term. Insider hack: less competition in some labs means you can get more hands-on access to equipment than expected. This can give you a technical edge when applying for specialized roles later. Number 4, Nova Southeastern University, Fort Lauderdale, Florida. This is where things get more research-focused. Nova Southeastern University is known for strong marine science programs. Why it stands out: close ties to real-world research, especially in coral reefs and conservation. Stats: higher tuition, but a generous acceptance rate, around 75 to 80%. The Vibe: career-focused. Many students aim for grad school or research roles. Deeper insight: you're near one of the most important reef systems in the US, which gives you real ecological relevance. In Iraq, top students often move into internships that lead directly to research jobs, especially if they network early. Attending campus research events can also connect you directly with project leads. Number 3. University of Miami, Coral Gables, Florida. Now we're in elite territory. University of Miami is globally known for marine science. Why it stands out? The Rosenstiel School leads research in climate science and ocean ecosystems, stats, expensive and competitive, with a 20 to 30% acceptance rate. The vibe, fast-paced and ambitious, very international. Deeper insight, if you want global exposure, this university connects you to international marine projects and collaborations. Insider hack. Many students miss out on funded research roles that can reduce tuition costs significantly. Building strong relationships with professors early is key to unlocking these. Also, applying early decision can sometimes improve your admission chances here. Number 2. University of South Florida, Tampa, Florida. This is one of the smartest choices here. University of South Florida offers strong value. Why it stands out? Respected marine science program with solid research facilities, stats, affordable tuition, and a 40 to 50% acceptance rate. The vibe, big campus, diverse students, balanced lifestyle, deeper insight. USF quietly builds strong industry connections, which helps students transition into jobs faster. Inside, you can land paid research roles, which helps both your resume and finances. Many students use this experience to secure internships with marine organizations across Florida. Number 1. University of Florida, Gainesville, Florida. Here's the top pick. University of Florida offers the best overall package. Top academics, major research funding, and strong reputation. Around a 30% acceptance rate. Competitive but achievable. The drive, driven, energetic, and opportunity-filled. Deeper insight. The flexibility here lets you combine marine biology with policy, tech, or environmental science, giving you more career options. Access to marine research stations across Florida means you can graduate with real field experience most students don't get until grad school. Bonus insight. If you're aiming for scholarships, UF offers multiple merit-based and need-based options. Strong academics plus early application timing can significantly improve your chances of getting funded and reduce your overall financial stress while studying in the US. Starting your application at least 8 to 10 months early can make a noticeable difference. So here's the bottom line. If you want affordable plus practical experience, look at University of North Florida, or FGCU. If you want research plus career power, go for University of Miami or University of Florida. And if you want a balanced option with strong ROI, USF is hard to beat. I know this process feels overwhelming. Tuition, visas, acceptance rates. It's a lot, but you don't need the perfect university. You need the right strategy. And that's exactly what I break down in my next video, where I show you how to get scholarships in US universities step by step, even if your budget is tight. Check that out right now. It could literally save you thousands. And if you're serious about studying marine biology in the US, start planning early because the ocean isn't waiting.